Miss Brand from the Smithtown Library, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a duct tape rose. So what you're going to need for this project is duct tape. I chose two different colors. I have green for my stem and pink for my petals. I have a pair of scissors, and last but not least, I have a pen. I'm going to use this pen as the base of my rose. You could use a chopstick, a wooden dowel, floral wire if you have it, but I had a pen handy, so that's what I'm going to use. Let's get started. So our first step is going to be taking the cap off of our pen. We're not going to need the cap for this particular craft. And then I'm going to measure out a piece of green duct tape that is the length of my pen. So I want duct tape to cover from the end to right before the end of the pen begins to taper. So I'm going to take my green duct tape and I'm going to measure out approximately that length. And then I'm going to roll my pen in this duct tape. And we've created our stem. So now our next step is to create the petals. So for that, we're going to need our pink duct tape. So I'm going to take a piece, approximately a 2-inch square of duct tape. So probably about that much. And I'm going to cut that off of my roll. And I'm going to lay my duct tape so that the sticky side is up. And I'm going to take one corner and I'm going to fold it in to the middle of the square. So I'm going to start to create a triangle shape there. And I'm going to do the same thing with the opposite corner. So then I end up with this shape. So I have a little rectangle of sticky duct tape at the bottom, and my two corners are folded inward to create a triangle at the top. So this is going to be my first petal. And I'm going to take the end, not the tip, the end of my pen. I'm going to place my petal there, and I'm going to roll it around the base of my pen so that it sticks. And that's my first petal. So I'm going to repeat that process by cutting more 2-inch square pieces of duct tape, folding down the corners, and then attaching it to my pen to create layers and layers of petals. So now you can see that I've attached a couple more petals to my pen so you can start to see the rosebud forming. So I'm going to continue to cut those 2-inch squares of duct tape, fold down the corners, and create more petals. So once you've added enough petals and you're happy with the way your rose looks, then it's time to add some leaves. So you're going to create a leaf in the same exact way you created the petals for your rose, except this time you're going to take your green duct tape, you're going to take that 2-inch square, you're going to fold down the corners just like you did before, and you're going to wrap it around the base of your rose. Thank you so much for joining me today. We hope to see you soon, but until then, check out the library's website at www.smithlib.org for more programs and resources.